Now let's move on to another topic, that is simple machines. Okay, when it is said or when it is difficult to work with our hands. Okay, when it's very difficult to work with our hands. For example, can you open a Coca-Cola or a cold drinks cap with your hand? Can one means that with the one you open with your opener. Can you open with your hands? No. So we use tools or machines to make our work easier. So let's move on to the next topic, that is simple machines. Simple machines. Simple machines are tools that make our work easier and faster using less force. Okay. When we use machine, we have to apply less force and less effort to do that simple work. We use different types of simple machines in our everyday life. A lever, a pulley and inclined plane, a wheel and an axle, a screw, a wedge or some simple machines. Okay, so let's see the first machine, that is lever. What is lever? It is a bar that rests on a point around which it can move. Okay, so have you seen a jack? When a car tire punctures and the driver, he puts the car on the jack, and when he applies the force, the car slowly moves up. Okay, so a lever can be used to lift or move heavy objects. So jack is an example of lever with less force. Now with your hands you can't move the car, you can't pull the car upwards, but when you are placing a jack and you are putting the car and then you are applying force, then you can lift the car up slowly. Okay, and after that when it is lifted, the driver changes the tire. Now for example, a lever can be used to lift or move heavy objects with less force. Okay, cut things or open lids. So I'm having some examples of lever. Let me show you. Now look here, I'm having a simple machine with me here right now, a nail cutter. Can you see? This is a lever. Look here, you are applying force here, you will put your nails here, and then when you will apply force from here, you can cut your nails. Okay, so this is a simple example. This is a simple machine. This is known as lever. Look, you are applying a pressure here, you are putting your fingers, the nails here, and when you apply force, this is going to cut your nails. The pressure you applied here, that is going to cut your nails. Look here. Okay, and this is an opener. When you are going to put a can, right now I am not having any canned bottle, so I would have shown it to you. Means you are going to put this point on the cap and you will apply a force here and tuck, the cap is going to be opened. Okay, now look, this is a simple scissor, a normal scissor. So when you are going to apply a pressure here and you are going to cut something, that force is going to cut the paper or cut the cloth or whatever you are going to cut, whatever you want to cut. Look, these are the simple examples of lever. Okay, can you see? You are applying force here, you are applying some force here, and you are placing your things here and they are going to cut it. Okay, look here, in your book also it's given bottle opener. This is the bottle I showed you just, that was also in your nail cutter, that was also a bottle opener. You are going to put your bottle opener like this, and then you are going to apply force here and this bottle cap is going to be opened. Now look, a pair of scissors, I showed you. You are going to put your fingers here and the force will be applied here, and that will act here. Your paper or your cloth is going to be cut. Okay. Now let's move on to the next machine, that is pulley. Now this is a well. You all must have seen a well, and this is called a pulley. Okay. Now what is a pulley? Let me explain it to you. There is a round circle wheel. Okay. A round circle wheel, and there is a groove. Groove means there is a narrow cutting besides the wheel. Means you can see this is a wheel. Now in between, in the middle, there is a narrow cutting, narrow long round cutting, so that the rope can smoothly move on this wheel. Okay, so this is known as groove. So a round groove is made on the wheel, and then a rope is tied to the pulley. Then slowly the force is applied on the rope, and when you pull the rope, it lifts the bucket, the heavy watered bucket. It lifts. Then easily you can pull or lift the bucket. Okay. So let's see what's pulley. It is simple machine that is made up of grooved. I told you what is groove. A narrow long cutting wheel and a rope that runs through the groove of the wheel. So this cutting on the wheel, round cutting, so that the rope can easily move, that is known as groove. It is used to lift or lower heavy objects. A pulley is used in a well to draw water in a bucket. Okay. So a simple machine is pulley, which is used to draw water from the well.